Hey y'all. I'm Stephanie.
I'm Teresa.
And today we're going to try a new Pinterest Easter project. Pinterest Easter project.
Yes.
Pinterest Easter project. So what we're going to do, we're going to show y'all the process of making this, how easy it was, and if it worked out.
And our rating.
Rating, yeah. We give our ratings on 35 thumbs up.
Based on 35 thumbs up.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a perfect rating, I tell you.
It's a scientific scale. It's fine.
It's a good scale. I suggest it. So it's kind of like when somebody says, how much sugar do you need? A pallet. Let's get into it, y'all.
What's our first step?
Our first step is you want to get, by the way, I got everything at Walmart. I'll put all the prices down below. That way you know what I got and what I paid. I used a paper towel empty roll, and I just cut it into pieces because what we're going to do is we are going, once we wrap them and glue them, we're going to set them on top to dry. Well,
when it's heavier, it'll stay.
Yes, because this is a balloon now.
That's a really good idea, so it doesn't stick to everything.
Yeah,
it'll dry faster too.
Dry faster. Or if you have a string, you can hang them up, by their little
I used to do
nipples.
that when I was little, yeah. Paper mache.
Let them dry. I also bought some water balloons. I got 2 paintbrushes, some Walmart threading. On the Pinterest, it was saying using crochet thread, and I had no idea what that was.
Is crochet thread yarn?
I don't know what it is, but this is what I got. It had a bunch of different colors, so that worked.
I love it.
And then I got some Mod Podge, but on the instructions, it told you if you have glue, you can just mix glue and water. I think it's 2 parts glue and 1 part water, and that'll work too, because this is basically the same thing. And then just, I bought this for like $3.50 at Walmart. It was right in the same section. So to blow up these, because you cannot blow them up with your mouth.
You cannot, no.
Your mouth hole will not do it.
You were not strong enough.
So first step is, ow, you're going to blow up one of the water balloons with air. You know how to blow up a balloon. I don't have to explain. You want to make it into an egg shape.
Yep.
Anything smaller than these, there'll be a circle. And then it will just be twine balls. Circular twine balls.
You know twine balls are all year long though.
They are. These are specifically more of an Easter.
Yeah.
I have which one do you want? You want the bigger one or the smaller one?
I'll do this one.
Okay.
I don't know. You could even do that a little bit to make it.
Yeah, you can make it more cone shape.
Eggy.
There we go.
Perfect. Okay, what's next?
Okay. And then you get your Mod Podge or your water glue mix. And there's 2 ways you can do this. I decided to wrap the balloon first in the twine and then just dip my paintbrush in the Mod Podge and put it over this. Or you can get yourself a little plate, pour your glue mixture, and put your twine or yarn or whatever you have in it. Then take it out, but you have to take off the extra glue and it gets all over your fingers.
Yeah, that sounds messy. Let's do it the easy way.
Yeah. You could leave all the glue on there, but it's going to be a lot.
It'll take forever to dry. Yeah.
So first, let's take our string and just start wrapping. You want to make sure you wrap it to where the end gets stuck on there so it's not sliding everywhere. And it will slide. And then you just keep on wrapping. Any way you want. See, mine is already loose. Let me start over.
Should we tape it or something? How
you
did
could
you
tape,
do this?
or you know what? Try tying it.
I thought about that too.
I'm going to try tying it.
I got it finally. Once you
get it,
finally
you get
it. Yeah.
And then you just keep on wrapping and doing your thing.
I no longer got it.
All right.
There we go. It's that one corner every time. It's like, nah.
I was doing this last night just to see how it went. And my cats loved these. And they were knocking them off the table and playing with it. I'm like, typical cats.
Yeah.
I feel like this is the longest part. You just keep on wrapping and wrapping and wrapping.
It's as long as it's not sliding around, though, it's very therapeutic.
Yeah.
If you're good enough, you can probably do some designs. So we're just lucky to keep it on.
If you do dip it and then put it on there, I'm sure it'll stay a lot easier.
Oh.
But it is messier. So, and I was trying to go for the least messy method.
I feel like I'm good. Should I keep going?
I'm going to keep on going because the ones I was trying out, I really like the ones that were wrapped a lot.
Okay.
It was just cuter. Lots of space. And what I'm looking for space on these balloons. See if I can cover them up different ways. Different ways is what I mean is the way the string is going. Diagonal, straight, across. See, you're struggling.
There it is.
You hate and
How do you end it?
trying to craft and it's not working.
And it's not working. No,
Huh?
it is. How do you end it? Do you tuck it in or something?
Yeah, you tuck it in somewhere tight to keep it on there.
Let's see.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna thread it through. This would be fun to do with like a classroom. Your angry child upstairs.
Yeah. I think the only problem with kids is they would struggle putting it on the balloon.
You may have to put tape or pre-Mod Podge your balloon.
Yeah, you can do that too. And then it was
They like being messy.
They do. They love it.
That is so cute.
Isn't it? And then I'm just lifting and tucking that end piece. And kind of remember where I should have told you this before. Remember where you put your end piece?
Mm-mm.
If not, that's fine.
She gone.
And you're going to put your Mod Podge on there first.
Oh,
Okay.
Meow.
Okay, next, get your glue. And you go be a ham on it.
Go be a ham.
Go be a ham. And I lost my end piece, so here we go. I thought I kept it, but
so
I
we're
didn't.
the same.
I was for sure. My finger was on it. And it's not, so. And you just keep on going until the whole thing is covered. Ooh.
Do you want it to look white?
It dries clear. So
But I mean, like coverage-wise, do you want it to look like white paint?
just whatever you think all the strings are covered. So
There is no correct or incorrect way.
Yeah,
No
just-
incorrect way.
you want to do more. You'd rather do more than less because if you do less, it won't be
It won't
stiff.
be stiff. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. I
Okay.
think I'm done. How about you?
Yeah, I think I'm done too.
Nice.
Everything is covered and saturated.
I'd say
It looks pretty ugly right now, but trust the process. Now what comes into play is those cardboard rings that you cut out.
Mm-hmm.
So you just set it down and it dries for 24 hours. I made that one extra tall. I don't know why.
I know. I want to use it really bad, but
Oh, no.
she's top heavy. Did it.
Ta-da! So we're going to let these dry for about 24 hours or until they're dry.
Yeah. I was going to wash my hands, but I think I'm going to let this dry so I can peel it.
I did that last night too.
I knew you would. You're
My
a
favorite
picker.
thing to do.
So we're just going to let this dry so I can pick it off and pretend like it's skin, like we're sex.
So we're going to make probably just a few more and
Yeah.
then we'll get to it. Let's go. Okay.
We fast forward to time.
Fast forward time. It's been 24 hours exactly and we waited here the whole time.
Yeah, we sure did.
These are the ones I did last night and
Listen to it.
they're hard.
Hard as a rock. Sounds like an actual egg.
Maybe
Crack it.
not hard as a rock, but they're stiff. That's for sure.
She's stiff.
She's stiff. But if you want to look, you can see that.
It looks like stained, like the
Stained glass?
Yeah, like uncolored stained glass.
Mm-hmm. So how are we going to get the balloon
That's
out?
cool.
Well, let's take this off. Easy. You get something pointy. The directions said get a safety pin.
Yeah.
You can get anything
You can
pointy.
use a knife or.
And you pop it. And what I did is I just went around and I pushed it.
Stuck. That is a fun noise.
I love it, actually.
I do too.
It's fun doing this.
Very crackly.
It's like a game. And then just pull this out. I saw some people, they even use the end of the balloon to tie up, but it's stuck in there. Hold on, I have to
We can
get
use
it.
tweezers later.
Yeah, we'll get our hold on, maybe I can do some like doctor stuff here. Surgeon. Ooh, it's really
Scalpel.
flaky.
4 cc's of flakes.
it.
Good job.
It looks like a piece of tissue too.
Yeah.
And then what you want to do is just you want to kind of like clear up the egg because you could still, it has the glue on there. That's the
Yeah.
actual glue, not the balloon.
I kind of like it.
You like it on there? She likes
do.
the stained glass looking stuff. So we'll leave that on there.
It gives it a little something.
Yeah, here's the pink one that I
I
did.
want to stab one.
Stabby. Oh, stabby.
That's kind of fun.
nice.
That is really fun. It didn't pop.
I
was just
did,
messing with the stuff.
I wanted to compare what a lot looks like compared to less.
Your scissors? Somehow. Okay, that was fast.
Nice. You did it. But I
Yeah.
wanted to compare a lot to not a lot.
I agree with you. A lot looks better.
Yeah, a lot looks better. And I don't know, maybe when I puncture a hole, maybe it'll be fine. So just this is what you would get if you do a little bit.
Are you ready?
You do it. And you can see it even, it's not as sturdy.
It's not
kind
as
of
sturdy.
went in on itself. So
yeah.
I suggest not doing the little bit of twine.
Go ham.
We're going to grab this booger out of here because that's what it looks like. There we go. Got it.
Why does it look hairy?
It does look very hairy.
Well, how many thumbs up do you give this one?
Well, I might give this, it's okay. It's easy though.
I think it's adorable.
You like it a
you
lot?
You do so much with
Everybody's
it.
different.
And you could do like just balls and put them like in a regular bowl on your coffee table or something.
Yeah, because you see that in people's houses. It's just like a cream colored ball
or
with
tier
twine.
trays or like bookshelves if you need something
That's
to place
true.
it at.
There's so many things. I even saw a wreath. Like they made a bunch.
Garland.
A garland. Oh, you can hang them from
You
a
know
light.
we're going to do a garland. We can do a garland.
There's always a garland involved. So
I'm going to give it 30 thumbs up.
I'll give it 25. I like it. I enjoyed it. It was
Always the
actually
pessimist.
very easy. So, but we're going to put it in a little basket and show y'all what it looks like all pretty. This is the finished product, y'all. Right now, it looks bare, but we highly suggest you make at least maybe 10. You can fill things in. You can do other things. You can make a string, what do you call it? Garland.
Well, you also can make these into ornaments and hang them up on your trees.
Yes, because a lot of people are now starting to use their Christmas trees for different seasons. So you can do that.
Yep. I wouldn't put them outside because if they get wet or moist at all,
that might not work.
Apart. But indoor trees.
But if you have like an indoor spot that you need just like a little something, you can make a little wreath. Just hot glue them together. I saw that. That'd be really cute. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It helps our channel out. And
we greatly appreciate it. And until next time, y'all.
Bye.